Let me show you how to do this Chicana makeup. After you've done your skin prep, we're going to start out with the best primer out there, the e.l.f. Power Grip. This is my ride or die. We're going to use the NYX brow glue to basically get our brows looking thin and kind of as straight as we can. So instead of pulling it up, we're kind of going to pull some down and try to make it as straight as we can. To do some color correction first, I'm just using the e.l.f. green color corrector and basically going anywhere that's a little bit red. And we want to do it first, that way it can sit and really marinate. That way your look really looks good. While that's setting down, we're going to use the Tarte Creamy Concealer and basically carve out our eyes. I'm going to put some pale powder over this just to really make this like a really nice eye base. And just so our shadows really blend nicely. Now we're going to do the eyebrows, which is like one of the most important features of this look. So I'm going to go in with this beautiful dark brown. And what we're going to do is basically just kind of straighten out our eyebrow a little bit. So basically going underneath, and I'm going to bring my eyebrow down a little and fill it in, just like that. But now we gotta do it over here. We're gonna go in with this beautiful black and kind of outline the eyebrows. That way it's kind of two-toned. The eyebrows are eyebrowing. We're gonna go in with this very awesome palette and go in with our lightest beige and kind of go over our eye, the whole area, right up to the eyebrow. This is just going to be a really nice transition color. We're just gonna go in with your regular contour and put it on your brush and basically just kind of contour anywhere that you normally would, almost into like a natural smoky eye. It looks very, very natural and just gorgeous. Now we're going to go in with this beautiful pale cream here and go right directly on the inner edge and use your fingers so you're getting the most color payoff. Using one of these, also go like this directly underneath the eyebrow to really help shape your eye. Get our eyeshadow nice and crisp, so of course it's the e.l.f. Expert Liquid Liner. When using this and you take it out, make sure to take off the excess liquid and always start with your bad eye first. Basically just gonna go, we're gonna bring the eyeliner right up to the front of the eye. All right, let's take off the tape and see what we're working with. The eyeliner got a little out of hand, but we'll fix it. Oh, it looks really cute though. We're going to put some black eyeliner on our waterline. Taking this eyeliner, we're basically just going to go right here. Just like that. I'm going to take a concealer that's closer to my skin tone and basically just put it right around the eyebrows. That way they're going to look really chic and just look really good. I almost knocked my coffee over. That would have been terrible. Taking like a cleaner, thinner brush, and we're basically just going to carve out the brows. Now we're going to put on some foundation. I'm using the Natasha Denona High Glam Foundation. I really like it, but I also apply it with a brush, which I think is the only and good way to apply it. Just taking like an angled brush, I'm just going to basically get that into my skin and build it up. We're going to go straight to contour. It's a very straight nose, very straight, and just like this, high contour up here, and they have sharp jaw lines, of course. Some up here. Blend that in with an angled brush to really get some nice, beautiful color into my skin. When I do the jaw, I always make sure to come up to the chin. That way it just looks a little bit more snatched. We're going to do the palest little bit of pink blush on the very outest corner, right here. Just the littlest itty little bit. Now I'm going to go in with like some powder contour and just kind of really accentuate this area. That way it really looks nice and beautiful. And I'm going to kind of circle it out. That way it really diffuses. Basically just going to go over anywheres that I contoured already and just kind of accentuate it. It's time for some reverse contouring with the Tarte again. Basically just kind of going a little bit right there, little here, little there, 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 and there. A little bit here. I'm going to use a clean blending brush and basically just blend it in very lightly and make it a very carved out nose. Take your lightest setting powder and we are going to set some spots. Bring it over, put it right here, straight down the nose. Oh my God, the coffee. Up here, little here too. I'm going to take this beautiful white. We're not going to go too crazy with it, but just a little bit right in here and underneath the eye, just to really help highlight and give it like a dramatic effect. We're also going to use that white a little bit right here, tap it in, And then just directly down the middle, just a little. Now for the lips, find a beautiful brown lip liner. This is the Makeup Forever, and this is in Limitless Brown. I love this. Now we're going for big and beautiful lips. I clearly have no lips. So we're gonna overline and basically make almost a uni lip. Oh, now we gotta do the bottom one too. Now we're gonna use the NARS American Woman. This is like a liquid lipstick, and I love it. Literally the perfect shade. Perfect. A little bit of concealer in the middle. That way there's like a true ombre. Oh yeah. Time for the best lip plumper out there. This is the Dr. Dennis Gross lip plumper, and I love it. All right, I'm gonna do some finishing touches and I'll show you the final look. And this is the final look. What do we think? You guys need to go watch the transitions, and I hope you have a great day. Bye!